When the pipes match the color of the car.
Huh?
When the pipes match the color of the car. Look at that. That is...
Dude, this is gorgeous. Another red light. Another
down.
Anyways, stuck in another red light. We've hit every red light of the trip. But welcome back to FSI.
I'm too tired for this.
Yeah, we had a night. I don't really know what we're doing. I know we're going to some small or big or medium or maybe even non-existent cruise to Concord Cars and Coffee this morning. We're gonna see if there's anything cool out there. And then afterwards, I really don't know. We might, what a big bump. We might work on wrapping the Camaro some. We might try to find some special guest appearance to come pop out. Who knows what we'll do, but we'll figure something out and try to make a fun video. But anyways, yeah, we're on our way to the cruise. We're like 8 minutes out, so I guess we'll pick this up when we get there, see if there's anything cool there. So we made it. We out here. We're going to see. There's a few decent things. This Bimmer's hard. Bimmer hard, new 400Z. 1.3 action. So the fast guys over here. The Hellcat, the Mero. We got the M3. But this sneaky little thing just decided to pull up. This is proper. With the BBS's. Yeah, this is proper right here. Got this beautiful M3 here. Not sure the name of the color, but it's fantastic for sure. New FL5 Type R. Looks great. There's a new Z over there. Some cool things. Alright, so we saw a few decent things here. There wasn't like a ton of stuff. I think I managed to get clips of some of the important things, but we're rolling out now. There's the 400. Traffic's blocked. We're hitting the road to Cars and Coffee Concord now. Oh. Brother man wanted it. There's the GTR. Oh yeah. Hang on. Look at all this shit, bruh. We're clearly not going anywhere, so it's not that deep. Let's see if there's anything cool. Hi, buddy. This thing's kind of hard. There's some Mustangs up there that were pretty nice. M6 looking good. It's hilarious the amount of traffic that this event causes because I'm just walking next to the road and perfectly, I'm overtaking. Get gapped. So yeah, there's some cool shit out here, all these vents. Quick jam session break. We've been sitting here for how long?
I can't read this watch.
Oh.
I'm kidding, yeah, I can. We've been for
And I didn't put mine on this morning.
10 o'clock.
We have been here. Do it. We have been here for so long. Like, as you saw in the previous clip, I have had time to get out of the car, walk around, film stuff in this row of traffic, and take clips for the TikTok that you'll see. And we're still not that much. We were at this gas station when I was filming those clips. We are now here. Oh. Another update. Guess where we still are.
36 yards further forward.
In fact, check this out, right? You remember the gas station from the last clip? It's right the fuck there. It doesn't end. This is why I drink. Well, we finally made it after sitting in line for forever. This is our friend Deco. He hasn't been on the channel yet, but
So y'all made the grave mistake of not parking up there.
where, up there?
Yeah, I parked.
Oh, no, bro, we wanted to be in the show.
I don't care. Pretty much. I'm in the truck. So whatever.
But the truck's sick. The truck's sick.
Everybody's gonna see it when they leave. So
That's
whatever.
fair. This place is pretty packed. Pretty packed. We're gonna have to go take a look and see what's here. And look who we found. Look who we found slumped in the truck.
Yeah, I almost took a nap about 3 times. Though.
Dog, we were in the line for like almost an hour straight. I got out and filmed a full like TikTok clip of traffic.
I got here at 8.
And we're still, this thing's pretty cool. We're still here. No, give him camber. Give him camber. Camber gang.
Nice.
So yeah, you look really awake.
This is not even open. My breakfast was a damn sin.
The breakfast was a Zen. Of course he's in a 12 valve. Alright. Some McLarens over there. We don't really care. This is cool. These are really cool.
Oh, it's GT4. Okay.
Oh yeah. Dude, the sparkle. Yeah, these are sick. Next up, we got this little Aston Martin here. Do we think it's a stick? It is. It is a stick. A word. Well, either way, he apparently is done talking. We've already looked through a few things, so now we can have you join us for the last little bit. You didn't miss too much over that direction. This is sick. Oh, there you go, Axel. Look at the little badge on the back.
Oh yeah,
Look at the 2 badges on the
Yeah,
back.
this is the one Steven was tuning. And we talked about this. Remember we went there while this thing was on the rollers.
Look at that.
Yeah, this is the guy's truck car. Yeah, we went there while this thing was on Steven's rollers.
This
Steven
is...
SS LSX tuning.
Yes,
The
sir.
goat.
One of my favorite colors to come on the Mustangs right here. Eruption green. Oh, shut up! We don't care. Anyways, eruption green on the RTRs. This is fantastic. Love this setup. On the stocks, looking real good. All right, so we have an update for today's plan. This isn't the only car show we're going to. Like he said, it's side quest time.
Side quest time.
You're gonna meet our favorite little McLovin kid, Will Step. We love Will. He's a menace behind the camera. That sounds nuts. Oh, it's an LMR car. Oh, my. You're gonna get to meet an absolute menace behind the camera, Will. He's gonna be joining us for some big trips this year, like a certain big trip coming up that we'll talk about. Yeah, there's something spicy coming. He's a part of it too. That's really spicy. Yeah, we got a big trip coming. All right, so we have had our fun here at Cars and Coffee Concord.
Sancho's company.
Yeah.
Yeah, they fly their hawker out of, or one of their hawkers. No, I think both of them out of the truck.
See, planes might also be some sort of future venture. Who knows? You might get plane content at some point. Yeah, we might. You never know what you might see on this channel, bro. Yeah, so I keep tripping over myself, but long story short, yeah, we're done here at Cars and Coffee Concord, not Charlotte.
Oh, yeah, bro, he with me.
And We're about to go officially start our side quest to track down Will at Chicago Motor Cars. Go see if we can see some cool stuff there. So, putting this man on the spot because he's the only one that hasn't been on here yet. This is Deco's truck.
Broken as far as like.
Yeah, that tracks for the Deco experience. But got the Prismas in here. We got the hula girl with no skirt on. Gonna have to blur that out. But hell yeah. We I think it was last year, me and him took this thing all the way up to VIR for Hyperfest. Went up, we loaded this thing with camping supplies and went up and set up camp for everyone before they all got up there. All right, so since we decided to leave the house this morning without any form of breakfast, we made a little breakfast stop. We're ready to hit the road. Oh no, put it away! Put it away! Bad Greg! Spit it out! Nice breakfast! Oh, there's the eruption car. Oh yeah, but breakfast stop down. We're about to go hit up the Chicago Motor Cars meet up with Will. So I'm gonna go ahead and get on the highway, rip down from Concord to South Carolina and go have some fun. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get the Camaro parked up. Greg's right here. Deco finally caught up with us. There is some crazy stuff here. I already saw there's an underground racing Gallardo. Something I've been wanting to see for a while. There's a 992 3RS here. So that's gonna be really cool. So yeah, let's go look at some really crazy supercars now that we've done the cars and coffee crap. It's Will!
It's Will!
I told you I was gonna shove a camera in his face as soon as we found him. This is Will. This is Will. There's some cool shit here?
There's some cool shit.
So first thing we're gonna take a look at here is this Laurel. Some of these Mustangs too. So this is what I'm here for. This Laurel is sick. This thing is crazy. This is nuts. This thing is crazy.
This thing would be such a riot to drive.
Someone's getting rowdy out there. Super sick UGR Gallardo here. This is insane. All right, so I have been wanting to see one of these in person for a while now. I haven't been able to get around to it, and this thing is insane. This is crazy. This is crazy. Oh no. The wing is insane. The wing is honestly crazy. Sorry. This is nuts. So there's a boat here randomly. This is really nice, but boat aside, this is, in my opinion, one of the coolest stock cars you can buy. LC 500s, NA V8. These things are, I know you're with me on this. This is one of the best modern cars out, period. McLaren action. This is fantastic though. 996 Carrera. All the boss cars over in the corner. The Rolls Royce is crazy with the blue two-tone. Ford GT. This is one of the best modern cars to exist. This is crazy. Yeah? Yeah. These things are nuts. Everyone's already seen it, but it's still crazy.
Will Stepper 2 approved.
That's nuts. That's still a wild view that this thing exists. EcoBoost or not, this is incredible. Alright, so now we're inside. And there is some wild stuff in here already. This is...
When the pipe match the color of the car.
Huh?
When the pipes match the color of the car. Look at that.
Dude, this is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Bet you weren't expecting to see this. Alright, more Porsche love here. Check this out.
Slant noses are just so goddamn pretty.
This is peak.
Like,
On the chromes and everything.
Hot take.
Next to the V12 Benz.
I would like to see some modern slant noses.
There's someone doing them.
Yeah, there's the guy that did the white one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why. Like, cause I saw his project and I was like, that's fire. That's
Yeah,
literally
this is
great.
This is ridiculous. Oh my god. You know how rare these are? It's not like we haven't seen 15 of these today. But more SVJs. One of the best spec STOs ever. Like, period. Hands down. Can't go wrong with a classic Aventador, but this. Oh my god. This is ridiculous. Right behind this awesome thing is a really sick little Sierra Cars XR3. Very cool car. Bunch of Ferraris. Had the blue SF90 out here. I've never been a massive Ferrari guy, but I do love the wheels that he put on this car. They are very cool. Fantastic Performante on HREs. This makes PP really big PP.
You cannot put that in.
You want to bet? You want to bet? It's going in.
It's going in the video.
It's going in. All right. So fun fact about Will.
Will
not
is
only
guy with little guy
Will is
car.
little man, and not only is Will little man who menaced behind camera, he has little toy car.
It's got a good personality though. So.
It's got a good personality. It's got a muffler delete from factory good personality. Mini 4C. There's a 4C somewhere around here. Oh. Hot? It's almost like it just came out of the oven.
Yeah, it tends to be a little warm when it comes out of the oven.
Axel.
You look like you're easy to touch.
Cool.
Now this is just gonna be spicy, bro. And
Let's get it. After our little food stop, We're heading up to hang out with another new face to the channel, another really good friend. Look at that thing. He likes men. Anyways, we're gonna go hang out with an old friend of the, not of the page really, just an old friend of ours. Parker. Take a look at his shop, see what he's got going on, look at his 240 stuff. Who knows? Might get into some shenanigans. So. What's up, friends? How's it going? This is Parker, by the way. This is our boy.
Back here. So this is the Twisted Tea tray.
Hell yeah.
Manufactured by yours truly. with only parts laying around in here.
Okay.
This was a Schwinn. You want to know if this is a real Marty, bro? Hold on, get close up on that one.
Is that so?
I think that answers the question.
It's a real Nardy.
Is that so?
You want to see my real Nardy, bro?
Ain't no way that's real.
Hey, bro, it's so real.
Yeah?
It's real as real gets.
Yeah?
Beep, beep.
What? You should stand on this way, bro. Why don't you?
It's fine. I mean, it should be fine, but
Oh, you made a mess. You pissed yourself, Kevin.
I don't. Where?
Where?
It's this car. It leaks every known imaginable fluid. So.
Like I said, where when you said just piss yourself.
Well.
No, I didn't. Where?
Just grab the fucking engine bait,
Yeah.
Kevin.
Okay.
Dude, what the?
Hey, Jacob, hit me with an idol real quick.
I don't even know what to say.
Make the KA noise.
Race.
I have no idea what I'm doing, but I have stolen the vlog because Parker and Ben are gonna go work on Peyton's Supra. I don't know if we talked about that, but he has a Mark V Supra. You guys are gonna be seeing it once I end up joining them back at the crib. In the meantime, me and Dakoven have decided to take the side quest on of going to GoPro Motorplex. Something like that? I don't know, go-karting. We're gonna go go-karting at the GoPro place, and we're filming that on my GoPro, so hopefully I'll be able to get some camera footage of like me being pretty bad at it, because like I think I'm a good driver, but like we're about to find out, you know? So we're gonna get on the way, and I'll talk to you guys either on the way if I find something funny, or I'll just like there, you know, I don't know, maybe I talk to myself, I might just like set that up and you guys can see, you know, I'm rambling, so we're just okay, so we're registered. I'm on the next race, walking back to the car. I'm just gonna leave my wallet and my watch in here rather than putting it in those lockers. I don't really like it. I locked the car and shit. However, leaving my sunglasses. I don't think I'm gonna need them. And I'm taking, this is a helmet I got from Justine because it fits great. And it's not like a random helmet that they've given to a bajillion 976,000 people. So I feel a little better about wearing it because it's not gonna smell like poo. What do I also have? I have my phone. Now I'm gonna keep my phone on me. I got the car keys. Yeah, and I got some Craftsman gloves that I'm gonna be running in. Hopefully I'll be able to find a spot to mount this. I'm gonna see if I can find the case for it, although I don't know if I have it in the car. I might have it at home, but we will see. You guys will get back with me when we're on track. All right, card number 12, let's go, baby. goodness. Oh, DeCoven's leaving. Oh my God, DeCoven's leaving. Oh my Lord. I'm so sorry. Hold on. We're gonna multitask. Okay. Seatbelt. Oh, GoPro seatbelt. Oh my. Steering wheel clutch. Buckle. All right, and now traction control. That should turn off by the time we get to the corner. All right, we are turned. Okay, there we go. All right, we're good. We're back. We're heading back to the shop. We are not going to Peyton's. I don't know why. I have not congregated with the boys yet. They have not told me why. But we shall see when I get there. And then we might do a little whippy whip back to the Quibby Quib and have some steaks again. But yeah, I'm not super sure what I'll do on the side of the camera, so I'm probably just gonna give you guys like little systematic updates and then off we go. So I'll get back with you guys. I hope you can hear me. I'll get back with you guys when I'm back in the shop.
What you got there?
That's alright.
It's alright. Red Velvet Chips Ahoy.
They don't look. I mean, I guess.
I mean, the vision's there.
It's alright.
It's alright.
I'll give it that.
Hey, it's alright. We got the Mountain Dew though. That's all that matters.